time to learn about sentimental appeal, which is a logical fallacy of relevance. Sentimental. Hopefully you know what that word means. If somebody says, I'm kind of sentimental about things, this object has sentimental value, so I can't get rid of it, has to do with emotions. So another term for this logical fallacy sometimes is called appeal to emotion, okay, or pathos sometimes is appeal to emotion, but this is when it's done in a fallacious way. So let's take a look at what the heck that means. This means playing on readers' emotions in order to distract them from the facts, okay? And that's an important aspect of it. So just because something makes you feel emotional, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a fallacy. It becomes a fallacy when you sit and think about it and realize that the speaker is obviously manipulating your emotions in order to distract you from something else that they don't want you to think too hard about. Okay, so that's what we're going to look for in the examples today. Okay, everybody's familiar with these, and I apologize that this bar is here, this recording bar. I cannot move it, so I will read this text to you. But we've all seen these ASPCA commercials, right? In the arms of the angel. You know that terrible song? I know I sang it beautifully, so you really enjoyed that. But those commercials with the animals that are abused, okay, I can't, what does it stand for? The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. That's what ASPCA stands for. And those commercials, those ads, are designed to make you feel like a heartless jerk if you don't donate, right? You feel terrible. And that's what this text right here says. Sorry, again, that this box is covering it up. I cannot figure out how to move it. But, so basically you feel guilty if you can't donate money. Because look at these sad puppy dog eyes, okay? And look at this puppy over here. Oh, man. And look at this dog over here. Just a little guy. He's hurt. He needs your help, okay? Will you be my miracle, he says. And it says, become an ASPCA guardian for just 60 cents a day. And you hear that a lot with these types of advertisements for charities. And sometimes it's for human children in third world countries. For just the price of a cup of coffee a day, you can send so-and-so to school, things like that, okay? Now, I want to make this clear before we move on. I am never going to say that it's a bad idea to donate to a charity. It is a good idea to donate to charity if you can, okay? But remember what I said about sentimental appeal. It becomes a sentimental appeal fallacy when you use something like this to distract you from something else. So if you dig a little bit deeper, you would learn something about this organization, okay? It's only 60 cents a day, right, to donate to help these animals. In 2012, ASPCA's CEO, Ed Sayers, was paid a salary of $5,666, okay? That's $500,000. That's a lot of money, okay? Why did he earn that much money? Where does that 60 cents a day go? Does it really go to poor animals that need your help, okay? Or does it have more to do with filling the pockets of the CEO? So that's the full picture. So that's when it becomes a fallacy. Again, I still think it's a good idea to donate to charities, but it's also good to be skeptical and to research which charities maximizes your dollar, or your 60 cents a day, as it were. Okay, so that's one example. Let's take a look here at another example. Now, this is going to be in a separate video, so this is part 1. I need you to watch the part 2 video, but before you move over there, I will tell you what I want you to do. When you watch this video, I want you to be trying to figure out, okay, how are your emotions engaged in this video to manipulate you or to make you not think about something else.